In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then you need to click on Lock Screen. And now my favorite part, pick one of those login methods: PIN, password or pattern. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it here and create it. Quick tip, if you made a mistake, hit retry at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. Then choose continue at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. Click on confirm and manage lock screen notifications however you want to, operating those settings. You can even turn them on or off thanks to this switcher at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!